All right, here we go. I got two angles. If angle 1 is x squared plus 15x, and angle 2 is 13x plus 24, find angle 1. Hint, what kind of angles are 1 and 2? They're vertical. All right, they're vertical. And vertical means that they are congruent. So that means I can set these two equal to each other. Okay, well, I have an x squared, so that means I have to bring everything to one side. I'll do it in 2 steps. So I have x squared plus 2x equals 24. Then subtract 24. Subtract 24. So I have x squared plus 2x minus 24 equals 0. I want to figure out two numbers that will multiply multiply negative 24 and add to 2. I should get x plus 6, x minus 4. Sounds like, remember, how do I think about that? I go down the line. 24 times 1? No. 12 times 2? No. 3 times 4 or 3 times 8? No. 4 times 6? There's our winner. So if I have x plus 6, that means x equals negative 6. If I have x minus 4, that means x equals 4. Remember, it's the opposite. So now I need to figure out which one works. If I plug negative 6 into the measure of angle 1, I get negative 6 squared plus 15 times negative 6, which gives me 36 minus 90, which is negative 54, which I cannot have a negative angle, so I can toss out negative 6. Let's plug in 4. Measure of angle 1 equals 4 squared plus 15 times 4. 4 squared is 16. 15 times 4 is 60. Add the two together, I get 76 degrees. It's a positive number. There's my answer. Wow, that's sweet. It's real cool, isn't it? Here we go. Let's keep going. Last one. DCB is a right angle. Mark it. CF bisects. That means those are congruent. CG also bisects. That makes these congruent. ACE, well, if you recognize here, ACE is this angle here, that angle, and this angle are vertical, so that's 90 degrees. Okay, whoops. 90 degrees. Next thing I want you to see is that, think about this. This whole line, ACB, is 180. And then I have two equal parts here. Okay, so I have 90 and 2 equal parts. So if I have 90 and 2 equal parts, that means each of these, if I subtract 90 from 180, I get 90. And then I divide that by 2, I get 45. Why am I dividing it by 2? Because these two parts are congruent. That tells me each of these pieces is 45 degrees. So DCF is 45 degrees. Since ACF is 45, that means that BCG is also 45, which makes this also 45. The last one asks you for ACG. All right, ACG is right here. Well, ACG is 90, which came from right here, plus 45.
Happy Thursday. Happy Senior.
90 plus 45, 135. All right, so now I get 135 here, and that's it. If you have any questions, all right, still need some extra help, feel free to come in and see me. Feel free to come into PLT. Be a great use of your time. Have a great rest of your day. Happy studying.